This is a basic chawanmushi. We whisk together a single egg with our roast chicken dashi. We bring it over to the Rational combi oven. This allows the chawanmushi to steam and bake at the same time without having a skim form. With the cabbage, we're able to grill it in the combi oven using the special grill plates, allowing us to have nice grill marks and some roast on the top of the cabbage as well. We blend the cabbage with a little bit of chicken dashi and sesame oil, reserving the outside leaves so we can compress the cabbage juice into the outside roasted leaves using the Henkelmann vacuum sealer. To make the leather, we roast mushrooms in sesame oil and then add in a little bit of roast chicken dashi just to cook them down and help make the blending part smooth. We then move to the combi oven and set it on a dehydrating temp for a few hours to slowly dry out the puree. We immediately move to the Irinox blast chiller to quickly cool down and preserve all the flavors without allowing the leather to dry. Using the technology in all three pieces of equipment allows for more consistency and a lot less flaws for myself and my cooks. This is an aerated white chocolate mousse. To make the mousse, we actually make a custard base, heating a little bit of cream and then adding in sugar and egg yolk, whisking until it's become nappe.
It's really helpful to use the Rational iCombi Pro to temper chocolate because you can control the temperatures to create a smoother texture in your chocolate. I melted the white chocolate at 225 with 50% humidity to just quickly temper the chocolate before folding it in.
Once the custard base is cool enough, we then fold it into whipped cream. Using the Henkelmann vacuum sealer, we're able to use the Aero chocolate to aerate the chocolate and create a nice fluffy texture. Quickly remove it and put it in the blast chiller to hold the texture and all the air bubbles inside of it. We're able to create an even lighter texture on an already light white chocolate mousse. Using this technology in any kitchen, we can do large-scale production very consistently. That makes it a lot easier on the cooks and reduces a lot of waste.